In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall DuckDuckGo from your PC. We'll walk through opening the apps and features settings in Windows, finding DuckDuckGo, and completing the uninstall cleanly. This is a straightforward process, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by going to the Windows search bar, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Click into it and type Apps and Features. You should see a system setting called Apps and Features, or on some versions of Windows, it might appear as Installed Apps under the Apps section. Open that result. This takes you to the place where Windows lists all applications installed on your computer. If the window looks a little different on your device, don't worry. The search and uninstall options work the same way across recent Windows versions. Once the Apps and Features page is open, look for the search box within this window. It's usually labeled something like Search Apps, and it filters the list as you type. Click in that box and type DuckDuckGo or DuckDuckGo. Spacing doesn't matter here. Windows will match the app either way. Give it a moment to search. If nothing appears, double-check the spelling and make sure you're using the search box inside Apps and Features, not the taskbar search. If you still don't see it, it may already be uninstalled, or it might be installed under a slightly different name, such as a DuckDuckGo browser entry. When DuckDuckGo shows up in the results, click on it to expand the options. You should see an uninstall button. Click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Choose Uninstall again to proceed. If you get a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes, click Yes. The uninstaller will run, and in some cases it may ask you to close any open DuckDuckGo windows before continuing. So save your work if needed and allow it to finish. After the process completes, the entry should disappear from the list. To verify, you can type DuckDuckGo in the Apps and Features search box again. If nothing comes up, the uninstall is complete. If the entry remains temporarily, give it a few seconds or close and reopen the Apps and Features window to refresh the list. That's it. You opened Apps and Features, searched for DuckDuckGo, and uninstalled it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your PC quickly and confidently.